She giving kisses? Mwah. That Sophie?
Hold.
Oh, you're gonna let Anna hold Sophie? That's sweet of you for sharing.
Emma.
Okay.
Ma.
Not in your mouth.
Ma. Emma. Ma.
Oh, are you giving her kisses? Hi, Anna. Yeah. Because. What are you doing, Emma? Hi, Anna. You just staring? You just staring?